Yesterday, I had a visit from the UPS man, and it's one of my favorite days anytime I get a big box from UPS. In this case, this is the Beeman R9. So I'm going to share the unboxing with you. I haven't done anything with this yet. So today, we're going to unbox it. I'm going to zero the sights. I'm probably going to figure a scope out for it and a scope mount. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, it's made in Germany. I believe that it's pronounced Virock. Makes these for Beeman. Just comes with a quick little instruction manual. Don't think I need that at this point. Nice packaging. So let's get rid of this box. These are distributed by Air Venturi out of Cleveland, Ohio. Set this down here for now. As you can see, nice wood stock. I'm not sure what kind of wood. It is very nice. Has interesting grain. I don't know, maybe some kind of beech. Everything else is steel. Marked Beeman R9. And the barrel is marked 22 inch. It is a 22 caliber, so 5.5 5.5 millimeter and HW. So yeah, they're using the same. This is identical to a HW95. Comes with, let me get this off of here. Comes with a little set of different posts for the front sight. Be probably putting those to use today. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't like that one. Okay, so, yep, one, that's the one that I'm going to use. 2, 3, that one's an interesting one. 4, 5, and 6. Comes with 6 different posts. They're not spares, they're different. But I guess different people have different needs and requirements. Okay, so let's go through this thing. The fit and finish on this is just fantastic. I mean, I really love my Dianas, but this is definitely a different league altogether. It's got a record trigger. I haven't used one yet, but from what I understand, they're very good. And if they're as good as the T06 on the Dianas, I'll be happy. If it's better, I'll be ecstatic. Solid barrel, no shroud. Excellent tension on the rear sight. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, real nice, firm rubber pad on the buttstock. Doesn't really come into play much on a Springer because once you start shooting these, you'll realize to shoot them well, you really don't want to rely on this very much. You're not putting any pressure on this at all because it's going to have to come back a certain amount of distance before that pellet leaves the barrel. You want it to come straight back. You don't want it to press into your muscle, a little micro twitch or anything like that will throw your pellet off. Oh yeah, just excellent. Okay, so let's get this changed. It's really hot and humid out here today. I'm in Missouri, it feels like it's Mississippi. Today when I zero this, I'll be using the H&M Barracuda Hunter Extremes in 18.52. I've noticed the German guns really like this stuff. Not every single one of them do, but let's just start with something that has a better chance of success. Okay, I'm back. Had to go set up the range a little bit, get the other camera going. But so far so good. Really nice rifle. First cock, very stiff. Oh yeah, that is so smooth. Way more smooth than my Diana's. Oh, this thing is just a dream to cock. I mean, it is just smooth. Of course, what it's doing downrange, I cannot see. You can see it on the other camera because it's going to be inserted into the video, but a little raspy on the shot cycle, a little vibration that I'm feeling back here. Maybe that'll smooth out eventually. We're going to find out. Trigger is fantastic. It's better than the T06s. It feels almost like my Marauder trigger, which is really, really nice. Don't really care for the safety because I'm a lefty, so I have to wrap my thumb around here to press it. But that's okay. Get used to it. Okay, so I shot this about probably 50 more pellets. Had some problems with the scope. Tried mounting this scope, but this scope died quickly. was a center point of unknown age. It was good when I put it on. Put down a couple of good pellets and then it went all over the place. I mean, it was shooting like 3 feet high. And the reticle would still move, but it would just move back. So that's okay. I'm going to put a decent scope on it, probably a Vortex or an Athlon with a lifetime warranty. You can't beat that. I will not have an affiliate link for this scope, I can tell you that. I'm never going to recommend junk. This is a very smooth rifle. Has a very smooth firing action. After about 20 pellets, that little raz that I talked about, it went away. So it smoothed right out. And I gotta say, you know, it's not cheap. It's definitely not in the Gammo and Benjamin Trail price range, but you kind of get what you pay for. This is something that will be used by me until I'm dead and then handed down to my children. And maybe even to their children. I can't say enough good about this rifle. So if you're in the market for something to take with you into the apocalypse, to feed your family, this will do it. It'll do it just like it is with the iron sights, nothing else. Hunting is all about getting close enough for an ethical shot anyway, and this will definitely put that down. I'm going to do more videos with this rifle. I'm going to do a chrony test, and then I'm going to do, I'm going to actually put a decent scope on this, and then we'll see how it does with that. Till next time, we'll see you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.